Greetings, everyone. If you have found yourself repeating the same old story day after day and year after year, you may have wished for a tool to liberate yourself from that stream of images going through your mind that come together as a convincing story of who you are. We call it the story of I. But who you are may be quite different from the story that has you as the main character suffering from betrayal, regret, conflict, unworthiness, fear, and even self-centered triumph, just to name a few of the afflictions that keep that story wheel turning round and round. I invite you to join me, MerrySong, for a new way to illuminate the story of I using creative writing, including poetry, fiction, creative nonfiction. As a teacher for the Center for Sacred Sciences, I guide spiritual practitioners through a series of unfolding writing prompts that are meant not to dwell on those old stories, but to shine the light of awareness on your remarkable imagination that creates stories out of images and thoughts. When we recognize these stories as fiction or imaginary, we have a deeper space in which to ask, who am I? You don't have to be a writer to try this tool. You can join Deborah, Wayne, Shani, Heartsong, Robin, Jed, Niraja, and Aaron in this 4-part video series that demonstrates a method that I call the Go As Nothing Writing Workshops. All you have to do is register, and then you can write along or just watch at your own speed, alone or in a group. Welcome. I hope you give this a try.